Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Balu Master. Today I am going to discuss Target KSET 2021 Integration Part 10. In the sense, in the integration we are discussing applications of integration part friends. This is the second video in applications of integration. So in applications of integration, first video belongs to somewhat easy area. Without diagram you can evaluate the answer. Kind of areas we discussed friends, and also few shortcuts related formulas and problems we are discussing. Whereas in second area, compulsory diagram. Without diagram we cannot able to continue the sum. So how you are going to construct the diagram according to the given question, you need to observe very clearly. So this area is the most important area. Please watch carefully friends. Let us start your first question. Friends, the first question is the area of the region bounded by the line y is equals to 2x plus 1. X-axis and the ordinates x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 1. Generally students will do mistakes this kind of questions. Why? Because whenever the question is given the ordinates as x equal to minus 1 to 1 means students will take integral minus 1 to 1, lower limit as minus 1, upper limit as 1 they will consider, and integral y dx they are going to integrate. Compulsory one of the option will satisfy. They are going to create the options as like that. That procedure is completely wrong. Whenever they are asking this kind of questions which is does not satisfy any property or any formula means you need to follow the method. The method is nothing but you need to draw the graph. X-axis, y-axis. So this is what 0. So if you take x as 0, you are getting 2 into 0 plus 1, that is what y is equals to 1. This is 0, y is equals to 1, means somewhere here. If you take x is equals to 1, where 1 is there? On x-axis somewhere 1 is there. So 2 into 1 plus 1, that is what y is equals to 3 somewhere. So this is let it be equal to, then this is 3. So 3 means x equal to 1, y equal to 3, the point will be here. Then if you take x is equals to minus 1, 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 1, y is equals to minus 1. X minus 1 means y is also minus 1. That's what you need to draw here. If you join all the points, you are getting like this. So the question is given as x-axis given. With respect to x-axis, what is the area you need to observe? This is x-axis. That's what you need to find out this area, and also need to find out this area also. Which area you need to find out friends? You need to find out this area, as well as you need to find out even this area also. Here direct integration minus 1 to 1 absolutely wrong according to the diagram. Why? Because first of all you need to find out this point. This point meets exactly mid value of minus 1 and 0. So that is what minus 1 by 2. If you have any doubt you can check it here. Minus 1 by 2 if you substitute 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 0. So y equal to 0 if you take x as minus 1 by 2. So that's what. So the splitting part is minus 1 to minus 1 to minus 1 by 2. It is in lower part, means negative area, and minus 1 by 2 to 1 positive area. So that's what your required area becomes. Required area A is integral minus 1 to minus 1 by 2, minus 1 to minus 1 by 2 y dx. Which kind of y? That is what negative y, because it is downward direction. Minus of 2x plus 1 dx plus integral minus 1 by 2 to 1. This is what completely positive part, that is what 2x plus 1 dx. If you simplify, you are getting minus bracket, keep it outside, 2 times of integral x dx x square by 2 plus integral 1 dx x between the limits minus 1 to minus 1 by 2 plus same integration only but different limits. So 1 dx x between the limits, here limits as minus 1 by 2 to 1. This is what 2 get cancelled, here also cancel, minus of upper limit I need to substitute minus 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, formula minus upper limit minus lower limit. So minus 1 whole square means 1 only, minus into plus minus, that is what again minus 1, minus of minus plus 1, plus same logic 1 plus 1, 1 square is 1, lower limit need to substitute now, minus of minus 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 plus into minus minus, minus of minus plus 1 by 2. Now if you simplify, you are getting minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4. That is what minus 1 by 2. Of course, plus 1 by 2 is there here. Plus 1 by 2. And plus 2 and plus 1 by 2 is there. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cancel. 2 plus 1 by 2, that is what 2 into 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 5 by 2 is your answer. So your option is, fourth option is correct answer. So this is the method. Actually, friends, whenever this kind of questions are given, if it forms triangle, you have no need to solve by using this method. You have one more shortcut. What is that we are going to do by using area of triangle? By using area of triangle, this kind of questions are very easy comparing to this method. That's what I am going to do by using that method also. Look into it carefully. Here, required area by using area of triangle. The formula is half into base into height. What is the base of this triangle? This triangle area plus you need to do this triangle area. What is the base here? Base is nothing but this one. This is what minus 1. This is minus 1 by 2 means the difference is nothing but half units. Base into height. Height is equals to how much? So height is equals to from here to here 1 unit distance. This area over. Next, coming to next area, half into base into height. So what is the base of this one? Means from here to here 1 unit and here to here half unit. 1 plus half, 1 and half. 1 and half, if you, that is a mixed fraction. If you simplify, that is what 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 1 half. 1 and half is nothing but 3 by 2. Next, coming to next, this length height you want, half into base into height. Height you want means how many units? This is 3 units. This is what 3 units. Obviously y component. That is. So then this can be written as 1 by 2 common. 1 by 2 is common. 1 by 2 plus 3 3s are 9 by 2. That is what 1 by 2 into by 2, that into 10 by 2, that is what 5, and hence the answer is 5 by 2. So by using this approach, the problem will become very easy by area of triangle. Okay, so this kind of similar model question, one more is there. I am going to discuss that also. Please look into us carefully. One more question, friends. Same model. The area of the region bounded by the line y is equals to x-axis, and the ordinates x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2. Very clearly told, integral minus 1 to 2 integration is clearly wrong. You need to draw that diagram. Now here the graph is very easy. Y is equals to x, you know very well. It is passing through origin, obviously. So that's what you need to do. If you observe x equal to minus 1, where it is there, somewhere here x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2 will be here. So now you need to draw, you need to find out this area. That's what you need to find out, this area, and also you need to find out even this area also. So very easy thing. You are going to split into two parts. This is what 0. So required area. I'm not going to use integration method. I am going to use second shortcut method. I will discuss. That is what half into base into height. Half into base. Base is nothing but how many units? 0 to 1 means 1 unit. You are not supposed to consider negative value. Why? Because these are distances. I'm going to calculate as distance. So base distance is 1 unit into height. What is the height of this one? Of course, this is also 1 unit. Plus half into, what about base for this? This is 0 to 2 means 2 units distance. And what about this height? So x2 means y is also 2. That's what this is also 2 units. Then 1 by 2 is take common. 1 plus 2 into 2, 4. And hence 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2 is your answer. By this method, the problem will become very, very easily. So these are the previous entrance examination questions only. That's what very, 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 very important area. Let's move to next model. This is the next model question. They are asking a single curve questions. Now here sin x, cos x mixing curve questions also they are going to ask. We are going to discuss even that models also in this session. Please observe single curve question first. The area of the region bounded by the curve y is equals to cos x between x equal to 0 and x is equals to pi. Directly lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi. Very clearly wrong. You need to draw the diagram very clearly first. So cos x diagram. So cos x is the well-known graph. You know very well, cos x is passing through 1. Cos x is passing through 1. And the graph here, it will go like this. Then you need to find out in between 0 and pi. At x equal to 0, it reaches 1, cos 0, 1. At x equal to pi, cos pi minus 1 means you need to find out between. This is what? Minus 1. Now what you need to do, which area you are going to find out? This part plus this part. So between 0 to pi, it is split into two parts, that is 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 to pi. Why? Because 0 ki pi in between value pi by 2. If you have any doubt, cos 90, of course that is 0. That's what this point is, pi by 2, obviously. Now you are going to split the function, required area, according to diagram, integral 0 to pi by 2, upper part y dx, means upper part means positive cos x dx. Next the limits are pi by 2 to pi, so it is coming in the downward direction, that's what you need to consider, negative cos x dx. Don't cancel cos x integration. Why? Because limits are different. Now cos x integration, sin x between the limits 0 to pi by 2 minus sin x between the limits pi by 2 to pi. Sin 91, sin 0 minus sin pi 0 minus sin 91. So 1 minus of minus plus 1, you are getting the answer as 2. 2 is your answer. So it is a very easy model question only. Whenever the curve is single curve, of course it is very easy. If it is mixed curve, sin x and cos x, somewhat you need to calculate. And also moreover here, instead of cos x, sin x is given. Between the limits 0 to pi given means that time we are not going to split into two parts. Why? Because 0 to pi means cos x is passing through 0. That's what the shape of the curve is. 0 to pi will become completely in upward direction. So 0 to pi completely upward direction means you can able to apply integration directly. That's what the graph is, sin x graph or cos x graph. You need to check carefully and solve it. Similar model question but mixed with two curves. The area of the region bounded by the y-axis, very important point, y-axis given instead of x-axis. Y is equals to cos x and y is equals to sin x. In between 0 and pi by 2 they are asking. In between 0 and pi by 2, sin x, cos x mixed curve with respect to y-axis area they are asking. Now you need to draw sin x, cos x curves in a single graph. Sin x curve is always passing through origin. 0 to pi, this is 0 to pi by 2 is enough, that's all enough. And cos x is passing through, always passing through 1, that's what it will start here. And the curve, the shape of the curve will be like that. This is what pi by 2, cos 90 is 0. Now they are asking in between 0 and pi by 2 they are asking, and moreover the point which is given as y-axis given. So with respect to y-axis, both the curves where it meets. Means if you observe very clearly, with respect to x-axis means you need to consider this part, whereas with respect to y-axis means, so you need to consider this area. Very important point, this is very important point. With respect to x-axis, instead of y-axis, if it is given x-axis means we are going to shade this part. So this part will be pi by 4. We need to split 0 to pi by 4, pi by 4 to pi by 2. But whereas here y-axis given, that's what you need to shade this part only. That is what 0 to pi by 4 only. So required area is A is equals to integral 0 to pi by 4. Integral 0 to pi by 4, very important. Now you need to subtract one graph from the other graph. So which graph you are going to write first, which graph you are going to write next means. So if you observe very clearly, cos x graph is the upper curve. Always you are going to subtract from upper curve minus lower curve. Then only area will get positive. That's what upper curve is cos x and lower curve is sin x. You remove from cos x minus sin x. If you remove, you will get the area in between. So that's what cos x minus sin x dx. Integral cos x sin x. Integral sin x minus cos x, minus of minus plus between the limits 0 to pi by 4. This is equals to sin 45 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 1 by root 2 minus lower limit sin 0 minus into plus minus cos 1. And hence 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is nothing but 2 by root 2, that is what root 2 minus 1. The answer is root 2 minus 1 is the correct answer. It's a very good question. For example, with respect to x-axis given means we need to do 0 to pi by 4 sin x curve, pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos x curve. You be careful with respect to this kind of questions. Now one more question is there, mixed curve question. I am going to discuss that question. Please listen carefully. Next question. The area of the region bounded by the curves y equal to cos x and y is equal to sin x between the ordinates x equal to 0 and x equal to 3 pi by 2. This is a previous entrance examination question only, the most important area question. So please watch carefully. So we need to find out 0 to 3 pi by 2. That's what you are going to draw the diagram first between sin x and cos x area. So the logic is same. Sin x is passing through origin, sin pi. This is 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 means 270. So 180 plus, I need to take till 360. This is 360. So this is 270. That's what this somewhere here. 0, pi, 2 pi. Let's move to next cos x graph. I need to use other sketch. Cos x is passing through 1. Cos 90 0. Cos 3 pi by 2 0. Till 3 pi by 2 on they are asking. If you extend also, no problem. You need till this. So from here to here, mixing area they are asking. They are not asking with respect to x-axis or y-axis. That's what you need to consider whenever they are not asking with respect to x-axis or with respect to y-axis. You need to consider combined area. What is the combined area here? These two graphs combined area, this one. And also you need to find out this area. Of course, you need to find out this area. So how many parts? These are 3 parts, 3 different parts. You need to consider all the values now. So these 2 points meets at pi by 4. Why? Because sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, it meets. Or else you can able to do like this. So point of 0 and pi by 2, of course pi by 4. Similarly here also, if you want to find out this point, means very clearly this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, you know very well. So midpoint of pi and 3 pi by 2 is nothing but 5 pi by 4. Pi plus 3 pi by 2 by 2, 5 pi by 4. So now the splitting is 0 to pi by 4 splitting, pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4 splitting, complete area you are getting, and 5 pi by 4 to 3 pi by 2 splitting. So required area I am writing here, required area A is equals to integral 0 to pi by 4. While you are writing only, you need to write very clearly upper curve minus lower curve. What is upper curve? Upper curve is cos x curve. Lower curve is sin x curve. Red line indicates cos x. So upper curve minus lower curve means here red line is upper curve. That's what cos x curve. Cos x minus lower curve is sin x dx plus integral pi by 4 to pi by 4. Whenever pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4 you are doing, so if you observe upper curve now, black color means sin x curve. So sin x, then cos x is coming down. That's what you need to write, sin x minus cos x dx between pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. Again let's move to 5 pi by 4 to 3 pi by 2. You are getting red color is upper, means cos x is upper curve and sin x is lower curve. Then you need to write cos x minus sin x dx. Very, very important splitting. If you know the splitting, then the calculation part is very easy. If you observe, just you need to integrate and substitute upper limit minus lower limit. While you are simplifying upper limit, you need to know upper limit 5 pi by 4, you need to know sin part 5 pi by 4, cos 5 pi by 4, cos 3 pi by 2, sin 3 pi by 2, all the values. That's what I want to simplify before that, those results. So how to simplify? So very clearly, I need to find out sin 5 pi by 4. Sin 5 pi by 4 can be written as sin pi plus pi by 4. Sin pi plus pi by 4 means this is what third quadrant sin negative. So that's what this is, minus sin 45 minus 1 by root 2. Next cos 5 pi by 4. So cos of pi plus pi by 4, the same result only. Why? Because even cos also negative in third quadrant. That's what cos 45 with minus 1 by root 2. Then sin 3 by 2. Sin 3 pi by 2 can be written as pi plus pi by 2. Sin 180 plus theta, third quadrant, negative minus sin 90 minus 1. Then cos 3 pi by 2. So cos of pi plus pi by 2, third quadrant, minus cos pi by 2, cos 90 is 0. That's what the result is 0. Now I am going to integrate and I am going to apply all these values. Cos x integration sin x minus sin x integration is minus cos x, minus of minus plus between the limits 0 to pi by 4 plus sin x integration minus cos x, of course cos x integration sin x only. So you can able to take minus common also, If you take minus common, you are getting plus here between the limits pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Plus cos x integration sin x integration cos x with minus 5 pi by 4 to 3 pi by 2. Now sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, lower limit sin 0 0, cos 0 1. Because of this minus, this plus also you will get it minus. Plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus, bracket begin. Now cos 5 pi by 4, cos 5 pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2, plus sin 5 pi by 4, that is also minus 1 by root 2, lower limit while writing. So minus lower limit minus cos 45 1 by root 2, plus into minus minus sin 45 1 by root 2, plus sin 3 pi by 2, sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, cos 3 pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, lower limit minus sin 5 pi by 4, sin 5 pi by 4 is minus 1 by root 2, minus of minus plus 1 by root 2, and minus into plus minus, and cos 5 pi by 4 also minus 1 by root 2, minus 1 by root 2, minus of minus plus 1 by root 2. Then the calculation becomes 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2, that is what root 2 minus 1. Minus 1 by root 2, 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 this is what minus 4 by root 2, minus of minus plus 4 by root 2. Then plus into minus minus, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is nothing but 2 by root 2, that is what root 2. So root 2 minus 1 plus 4 root 2 by 2 minus 1 plus root 2. Then 2 2s are cancelled. 2 root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2, that is what 4 root 2, minus 1 gives minus 2. So the answer is 4 root 2 minus 2 is your answer. This is a very good question. So whenever this kind of situations are there, how to simplify, you need to know. So this is a very good model, friends. So I'll stop here, friends. That's all for today's class. Okay, I hope this session is useful for you. So in the next session, I'll come with applications of integration, exemplar question. All for today's class, friends. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.